Hi, everyone. My name is Layla Muth, and this is my colleague, Angie Nguyen. We're from GhostDraft, and today we're going to be covering how you can accelerate speed to market using Guidewire and GhostDraft's accelerator. In today's hyper-competitive insurance market, you need speed, efficiency, and a superior customer experience. That means going digital. Historically, the insurance industry has been notoriously slow in adopting new technologies. The ideas of optimizing workflows, moving to direct to consumer, or even paperless experiences once seemed impossible. That is until digital transformation started to take hold. So, what is digital transformation? We often hear this phrase, but what does it mean for the insurance industry? Simply put, it's using technologies to automate processes and create digital customer experiences to meet changing business and market needs. But digital transformation isn't a one and done project. Instead, it's an evolution and it takes small steps to win. When insurers are getting new or modified products to market, Novarica has found that it takes about 8 months for new products and 4 months for modified products. So, where is this barrier to accelerating success? Well, 40 to 45% of carriers say that it's implementation and testing, where the product is coded or configured in insurer systems. That's why Guidewire and GhostDraft have partnered to deliver an accelerator that empowers business users to transform forms and documents into engaging experiences fast. GhostDraft's customer communications platform is designed for insurance and enables carriers to streamline the lifecycle of omnichannel communications from inception to delivery. Now, I'm going to hand it over to Angie Nguyen, and we're going to take a look at some of the capabilities that GhostDraft provides to accelerate speed to market through digital transformation.
Thanks, Layla. Today, we'll cover how you can rapidly deploy forms and documents without IT involvement using GhostDraft's Fast Form feature that empowers touchless development. We'll start off in GhostDraft Hub, a centralized and role-based online tool that enables you to connect with teams, collaborate on projects, and gain complete visibility into the lifecycle of your documents. This customizable dashboard lets you view and jump into recent projects, review recent activity, and manage your automated to-do list. In today's example, a new form is required for our GL product. This has already been added to the library and moved through the design phase and approved. Now I'm ready to fast track this document to deployment and make it available for testing in just a few minutes. To do this, I will start by opening the policy document. You'll see you immediately get a view of the template information and metadata. This is a simple form, meaning it doesn't include complex logic and has previously mapped data elements. For this template, my task is to include the insured name and the effective date at the top of this form. Moving to the Annotated Spec tab, this is where I can add new document requirements. I will simply select and drag on the area of the document to add the field. The right-hand menu allows me to define this variable data field. I can create a new field or choose one from a data dictionary. For the Fast Forms capability to work properly, you want to select the Fast Form dictionary. This ensures your data is mapped correctly and will pull the right information from your Guidewire instance. Now I can search for the insured name, which pre-fills with all the necessary information. If needed, I can make edits to the field at this stage, but for today, I'll just save the field. And I'll repeat these steps to include the effective date just below the insured name. Now that we've created the specifications for this document, it's ready to move to the next phase. If approval is required, I would change the template status to review, and GhostDraft would automatically send users notifications and make to-do list items. But today, I'll change the template status to ready for development. As I make this status change, I can add development collaborators. Once the document is in this phase, we'll have the option to fast track the form's automation. When I select this option, I have a few choices. The first thing you can do here is generate the marked up form. You can also add this to an existing development project using GhostDraft's authoring environment called Studio, and you can even move this all the way into a package which will be ready for testing. For this example, I'm going to select all 3 steps and move through the prompts to add and attach it to the correct project. And just to show you the back end of GhostDraft's touchless development feature, I'm going to open Studio, our development authoring environment, where non-technical users can author all the rules about how content should be automated. When I open the template in Studio, you can see that it already has opened our fast form document for us in preview mode. At the top, the insured name and effective date have already been added. This sample data is pulled from our customizable scenarios that allow you to test your template logic. When I move into my markup view, I can see the variable data fields for insured name and effective date. These are connected to your Guidewire instance using GhostDraft's document domain model. Now, let's go into Guidewire Policy Center and see this form generate as a specimen on a quote, which we have already configured. When we generate this form in Guidewire Policy, it will pull the information to include in a quote document and become available for preview in the Documents section. No longer will you need to spend weeks in development for simple documents with GhostDraft's touchless development capability.
Thank you so much, Angie. That was fantastic. So let's talk about targets and focus for top carriers. As rising customer expectation, intense competition, and economic volatility continue to change the insurance landscape, carriers of all sizes across all industries are shifting focus to 3 core areas: building exceptional customer experiences that drive growth and retention, driving process efficiency and cost reduction, and accelerating digital transformation through innovation. The GhostDraft Accelerator for Policy Center integrates into your business to create better experiences, greater efficiency, and more agility. Designed for insurance, GhostDraft helps carriers streamline the lifecycle of omni-channel communications across the organization to get you to market faster. The accelerator puts business users in control of content, allowing IT to focus on other high-value projects. GhostDraft's powerful and easy-to-use suite empowers insurers to deliver great experiences with communications that connect to engage customers and make them more likely to spend more money, try new products, and become excellent brand advocates. To see how GhostDraft's customer communications and digital experience suite can help you, visit us online at ghostdraft.com.